can't seemingly work today. But I got these 2 packages in, and I know I was supposed to get one which was a rim, but I don't know what this other one is. We're gonna find out, right, ZZ? Right, ZZ? Are we gonna find out? Yeah. What are you doing on my box, buddy? Come on, like, what are you doing on my box, my guy? Huh? You wanna get in the box first? Kitty. Love you. And, well, I guess Ash took this box over now. This one is a fucking intake. Oh, shit. Number 10, remove the bottom bolt here. The bolt hitting the air funnel right there. Hit the one attached to the coolant reservoir structure. Hit the one in the middle. Hit the one up here. Remove the whole box. God, that is stupid as hell. Removed this line and this line from the top of the engine. Pulled that back, so pulled that back. Have the 2 10s out from the rest of the box right there. Here and here. Pull that back with the flathead. Pop it loose. Shake it a little bit. Pop it all up. I actually just lifted the box up, and my flathead bound right there, so I pulled it back, just lifted the box up, tilted it, and pulled it off the actual thing. One hand. Alright, time to fit. Nah, I just need to get a new, what is it, oil pressure thing, a little oil sender unit. I'm putting on a cold air intake right now, so it's good. Using pliers to the best of ability, you want to get around the base where it meets the rubber on the air box and just pull it straight out. Pushing the old air sensor into this new rubber bushing that you can use a butter knife to kind of help fit around the edges in there. Just plug that in. And as you get it lined up with that, get it lined up with this bracket, you should have some other bracket tools to help connect that. And then just drop the pot on it. That's the new PVC cut right there, actually with the scissors. Inserted there. I need to get a bracket to mount that there and there. We're done. Definitely help the throttle response and just overall starting and everything about the engine breathing.